Good morning. Standard 10th, subject English. Last period, we learned a poem, Basket Full of Moonlight, first stanza. Now I will give you questions on this part of the poem. So read the extract carefully and complete the activity. A1, simple factual activity. Complete the following sentence with the help of the poem. So first sentence is the child wants to show moons of light from days. This is the first sentence. Now second sentence, according to the child, the route of his village is tough and full dash. So complete the sentence from the poem. You read the extract and find out the answer of this question. It is most important question for the few of examination for 2 marks. Now poem, extract number 1, page number 18. O moon, you me, moonlight, days. 2. I am asleep. I am asleep. This is an extract. Now question number 2, A2, complex factual activities. First question, what does the poet wish to get from the moon and why? What does the poet wish to get from the moon and why? This is the first question. Now second question, why is the road from the city to the village dangerous? This is the second question. And third question is that choose from the options appropriate message in the poem. Choose from the options appropriate message in the poem. There are 4 options there. First is bring light to the villages, help his father to reach home early. Third, listen fairy tales from his father. And fourth, remove darkness and bring light along the darker paths. So find the correct option. Now next question, next point. Read the extract and say what is implied meaning in the following line. Give me moonlight, basketful or 2 baskets full with sheets of moonlight. So find out the implied meaning and write it. Next question, A3, activity based on poetic device. First question, write down from the extract the describing words used for the following nouns. Nouns are there. First is moons, second is root, third one is village, and fourth is baskets. So find describing words. Now second point, pick out the examples of alteration and repetition. Alteration and repetition. These are 2 figure of speech. Find the answer from the poem also. And next question, third is write as many as words you can using full as suffix like basket, full. Find out the another words, you know that, and write it for this question. And next 4 point is that pick out and write the lines from the poem that follow the following. Means first sentence, father reaches home late after dark. father reaches home late after dark. Find the line in the poem. And second, the path from city to village is having many difficulties. The path from city to village is having many difficulties. Find the line from the extract. So this is the first extract. Solve in your notebook as well as in your workbook and complete it. So stop here.